The dehumidifier has two sets of filters that act to remove water and particulate matter from the airflow to ensure that the main reduction gear stays within specification for water and cleanliness requirements. Filters are removed, inspected, and cleaned as necessary, and then reinstalled to support this maintenance. As always, follow safety precautions in accordance with the Navy Safety and Occupational Health Manual. Use tag-out procedures as applicable to your ship. Ensure the immediate area is clear of personnel when using low-pressure air for cleaning the filters. Assemble the required tools, parts, and materials. For this check, you will probably need a paintbrush, some detergent, a pail, water, towels, gloves, a screwdriver, a hose assembly, some goggles, and the applicable documentation. Specific tools and materials will be listed on the MRC. Although the requirement may vary, this maintenance is generally performed prior to operation and monthly in port. The first step is to tag out the equipment in accordance with normal shipboard procedures and the Tag Out User's Manual. De-energize the dehumidifier circuit and attach safety tags in accordance with the Tag Out User's Manual or local instructions. You will now clean and inspect the dehumidifier filters. The first step is to remove the reactivation filter access cover. Now remove the filter. You will probably have to do this in a separate location using soapy water solution and low pressure air to clean the filters. Once the filters have been cleaned using soapy water solution, dry using low pressure air. Inspect the filter for corrosion, clogging, or tears. Reinstall the reactivation filter once it has been cleaned. Once the filter is installed, reinstall the reactivation filter access cover. Now you will remove the humid air filter access covers and remove the humid air filters. Again, you will clean using low pressure air in the reverse direction of normal airflow and inspect the air filters for tears or clogging. If there are no tears or damage, you can reinstall the humid air filters. Once you've reinstalled the humid air filters, you can now reinstall the access covers. You can now remove your goggles and gloves. Once the maintenance is complete, you may remove the tags in accordance with tag-out procedures and return the equipment to normal operation.